Hi Queens, how are you guys doing today? I hope you are doing great. I hope you've had a really nice weekend and I hope you are staying safe and washing your hands. Okay guys, so today I'm going to be doing a Zara haul. I've only got a little, I've only picked a few pieces from Zara because I was really umming and ahhing about a lot of stuff, and then my social media friend, I'm only going to say social media friend because we only really speak on social media, but she's just amazing. So last night she was tweeting about these outfits on Zara, and then I ended up buying more last night, so I'm going to do like a part 2, and I have bought tons of stuff. But for now I'm going to show you what I did buy, and I've also bought some shoes from there as well, which I'm a little bit funny about, but they are really cute and I think you'll really love them. So as you know, we are now coming into spring. Well, we're in spring, but like summer's slowly creeping in. So the neon colours, the vibrant colours, you've got the checked skirts, you've got the nice long shirts. There's so much stuff that is just unbelievable, amazing in Zara at the moment. They've got so many nice new stuff. Honestly, I just love their bits. I just feel like with Zara as well, the quality is always amazing. Okay, so behind me, you'll see a few items. This isn't part of it, but I just love the colour. I just love mustard and I feel like it really pops out. So I thought I'd add that. So I've got a top, another top, and I've got a skirt to go with it as well. I've got some jeans and I got a t-shirt, and then I got another pair of jeans as well. And then the shoes, I will show you guys. I can't see from here just because of the way I'm doing my video today, but these are the shoes. I love these so much. These are so cute. I think these were only like $29.90. No, they weren't. $29.99. What am I talking about? I'll list all the prices and everything that I bought down below, just so you guys can actually just click on the link if you want to buy it. It's easier that way as well, isn't it? So yeah, I love these. I'm actually going to put them on now because, okay, Queens, I know I might look a bit funny to you at the moment because I'm actually wearing a bikini and black shorts, but you know what? I really wanted to get in a summer vibe, and I was like, you know what? It's sunny outside, I don't have a garden, let me just put on a bikini, let me do my makeup, half do my hair, it does need doing, and let's just get into that summer vibe, Queens. Let's get into that vibe. Okay, Queens, so the first outfit I'm going to try on is going to be this beautiful two-piece from Zara. I have tried it on. Okay, Queens, so this is the two-piece ribbed outfit from Zara. To be honest, I'm feeling better in it today. I think, to be honest, where it's like time of the month at the moment, I'm feeling a bit frumpy, and where I tried it on when I didn't have my makeup or hair done, I just felt a bit like meh. But now, today, I'm feeling a lot better. I feel like I've just woken up in a better mood. My makeup's done, my hair's kind of done. So yeah, we move, Queens. So this is the top, which I absolutely do love, and this is a roll neck. So I've tucked it into the skirt, and the skirt, you can't actually see that well, but the skirt is literally just below my knees. So this is the back of it. So yeah, I love the two-piece. I mean, I wish the top was like a bodysuit. That would be perfect, because then it wouldn't leave like all the little lumps and bumps. I think it would look a lot more better and like more kind of clean and just like really fitting. But it still looks really nice. It's not meant to be a kind of fitting outfit, but I do really like this. It's very mature as well, so definitely recommend it to anybody that's kind of wanting a more mature look. But yeah, I'm really feeling this, and I will link it how much and link the actual outfit down below as well. Okay, Queen. So I've got my jeans on from Zara. These are skinny fitted and the bottoms are a little bit flared. I'm not feeling these jeans. I feel like I should have got them in a bigger size. With Zara, again, the trouser size are so frustrating, because even when you know your size, they can either be too small or too big as well. So it's like so frustrating. But I now have to like send them back, which is a headache because are the post offices even open? But anyway, Queens, so these are the trousers. I know you can't see the bottoms. I just feel like they just don't fit well, like they're just not a great fit. But yeah, I'm just trying to, if I kick my leg up, you can see, there you go. Oh, Jesus, Queen, sorry. But yeah, so this is the trousers. Again, I don't know. I mean, I think they fit perfect round here, but it's the bum, and I don't have a big bum, so I really don't understand, but they're just not fitted. They feel like they're a bit too, I don't know what it is. I feel like they need to just be a bit more kind of fitted round here. Otherwise, I feel like when I walk, it's like I feel like a bit of a duck, like quack, quack, quite like my legs are like chafing together. So yes, I think with these jeans I'd get them in a bigger size. They are a slim fit though. Yeah, they are a slim fit, and I got them in a UK 10 obviously, so it's a bit funny how they don't really fit, because when I looked online at the model as well, like she was wearing like a 8 or 10 I think it was. So but maybe I've just put weight on, Queens, and maybe I've just put that quarantine weight on. Anyway, let's get into the next outfit and let's see if it is better than what I've just tried on. Let's go. Okay, Queens, so I'm really feeling the green like square. This is like a square top, and it's not a bodysuit, but it almost looks like it could be a bodysuit. It's quite long, but I've actually tucked it into the jeans. I'm really feeling this. Obviously with a better bra I have got my bikini on, but I think this is really cute. It's a really nice fit, and this is also in a size 10 as well. I'm really funny with colours, like I'll always just go for like black, I'll go for white, or I'll just go for like really dull colours. But I saw it on Zara and I thought, shall I try it? And I thought, well, I have got a really nice skin like colour, so like why should I not use it to my advantage? And then when I got it, I was like, I am feeling this. So remember I told you guys this summer I'm really going to be trying different colours like pinks and blues and all of that. So you'll see me with a bit more colour this summer, and I'm going out of my comfort zone, but again, it's definitely, I think it's going to pay off. So with that, I've got the mum jeans from Zara as well, which are a little bit too big. I should have gone probably a size down, which would have been a size 8. These are high-waisted, and I think they definitely would have looked a bit better if they were smaller, as you can see. And then at the bottom, they just about reach just above my ankle. They're a little bit flared as well. Again, they're really cute. I could just literally wear a belt with them, but I wish they're a little bit more fitted. I'd say the back isn't the greatest fit. It could be a bit more tighter, but to be honest with you, my mum is a sewing queen, so I could literally get her to just sew it and make it tighter at the back, and then it would be perfect, because they're not meant to be a skinny fit jean. They're mum jeans, so they're just meant to be like chilled, like loungy, and just comfortable, obviously, if you're like running around after kids all day. That's the kind of aspect that I get anyway. So yeah, they're not meant to be the tightest of jeans, so I think if I sewed it up at the back a little bit, it would be perfect. But I love the colour. It's like perfect, and what a perfect colour pair of jeans to go with this top as well. It's almost like they were meant to be, Queens. And I think this would look really nice paired off with the black shoes as well, or some white like flat shoes. I think they would go perfect as well. A nice black jacket. Yes, Queens. Shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. Okay, so with that, I've got just a black plain t-shirt. For me, I was going through my cupboard the other day, and I was my wardrobe, and I was thinking, what do I need? Like, what are the essential bits? I feel like if you ever feel like you don't have a lot to wear, just go through your wardrobe and just think, okay, I need this, I need that, and then just get what's essential, so then you'll always like have it. So for me, I need like t-shirts. I've ordered like loads more stuff as well. I just saw what I liked in Zara and thought, oh, okay, let me just do that. Let me do a little quick haul, and then when I get more stuff, I'll just do another one. So I've got this black t-shirt, and this is a size medium. And again, black t-shirts are so perfect. They're simple. This I could literally just put with these jeans, as you can see. Okay, so I've got the black t-shirt on, and I've tucked it into the trousers, because I mean it would not look great if it was like over, especially like oversized with oversized trousers. It would not go. Maybe if it was like a skinny fitted pair of jeans, but not mum jeans, huns, not mum jeans. So this is a closer look, and it's just a plain black top, very, very basic, but you can pair it off with like a nice jacket. I mean, this is here, so we might as well just try it on and put it on with it. So I think this is really cute, and again it adds a pop of colour to this dull outfit. Just to wear it like this, I think that's really cute. A black jacket would go perfect as well, because it's such a simple look. Black jackets can make anything, they can dull any outfit up as well. So with this as well, I think the black shoes that I showed you would go perfect with like a nice over the body bag, a black jacket, or again a red jacket, a nice red lip, adding a pop of colour. When you've got a simple outfit, you can just doll it up by putting on lipstick or just a bag that's a different colour, just so it like kind of brings your outfit out more, so it's not so boring in that sense. And also with this black t-shirt, I could pair it off with the white jeans that I bought. It's perfect with black jeans themselves tucked in or tucked out. For me, I personally like to have it tucked in, just so it gives me more of a body shape. Okay, Queens, so that is the video today. Very short and very quick, but any type of clothing that I buy, I always want to show you guys. A lot of you are always asking where I get stuff from, so I think it's really important when I get stuff like that just to share it with you, just so you know as well. I will link down the outfits below, the prices, sizing. I probably won't, because you'll know your own sizes, so you'll know what's going to fit your body best. Don't forget, my ebook is out and it is still available at just £10. The link is down below in my description. If you can't find it, it's always going to be in my description. Again, my ebook is all about fashion tips, fashion hacks, how to shop on a budget, and much, much more. I've also got summer spring styles for you in 2020, discount codes, and so much more, Queen. So make sure you go to my description and you get that ebook, and when you do, let me know, and I want to thank you so much. I really appreciate the support. Okay, Queen, so if there's anything else you want me to do in any more videos, just comment down below. Make sure you let me know so that I can make the best videos for you, Queens. I don't want to make stuff that you're not interested in, otherwise it's pointless. So I want to be doing stuff that you're going to be interested in and watching. Have a great day, my Queenies, and again, I hope you and your families are all staying safe and well, and I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah. Bye, Queens.